Hey guys! Today I have an unboxing video to share with you, and this one is very special to me since I wanted to buy this album for so long and I finally have it. So let's get into the video. I got Exodus Chinese version with Kai on the cover. This album is super pretty and it's smaller than EXO's new albums, and the design is pretty minimalist, all black and white, and it reminds me of Exact. I just love it. The photo book is my favorite part. The photos are mostly black and white and Jonghyun looks stunning as always. As for the poster, I got Suho, and the photo card was Chan's, but I traded for Kyungsoo. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all next time.